What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to go over the top 7 passive income ideas to start in 2020 and moving forward. So recently I was reading an article on millionaires and how many income streams they have, and typically they have 7 passive income streams, and that's why they're millionaires. So as you're building your wealth, you want to be building up different income streams. But the thing is, you got to focus on one, get good at one, and then move on to the next. Okay. I think the problem is people try to focus on a lot of things at once, and that's where they fail. So that was my problem. Like when I first started, I wanted to do this, I wanted to do this, and I was not good at one thing. I had to focus on one thing, and then as I got good at one thing, then I moved on to the next. Now these 7 things that I'm going to go over, these are most of them I do myself, and I'm actively running it. I'm going to show you exactly how to start each one and how they all work. Okay, so the first one, guys, is, let me go here. So is starting a blog. Okay, starting a blog in 2020 is going to make you so much money, but the thing is, it takes time to build a blog. Okay, because you're creating content for people are searching in Google every day on certain topics. Like for me, I built a blog on how to make money online. So for example, let me show you my blog here. Okay, so if you go to my blog, let me see here, I create content on how to make money online or how to drive traffic. Okay, it's all about internet marketing, digital marketing. Now, if you were to create a blog, obviously you'd want to create something that you're passionate about, and that's that's something that you want to write about, something that you would be able to do long term. Okay, so here's my blog here. Okay, so all my blog is, it's all about internet marketing, how to make money online. For example, how to get traffic with TikTok, stuff like that. So here's the cool thing. Here's some stats here. I just started this, guys. Okay. And this is just, let me show you here. So this is just October 1st to November 25th. So about 2 months. And so we have over 1,500 people viewing my site. And as you can see, it's going up. So that's a good thing. So the cool thing about blogging is you can get a ton of traffic, guys. And then Google's going to start ranking your traffic, or start ranking your blog in their search. So millions and millions of people are searching for blogs. And the way you make money with a blog is basically you're going to have like your affiliate links within your blog. Okay, so unless you have your own product you're selling, you would want to have that in there. But for me, like for example, okay, so like this blog here, top 7 essential tools. Okay, if we go here, you'll notice that within this blog, it's providing a ton of value, but it's also it has affiliate links as well. So if we go here, my top 7 tools for affiliate marketing, you need a web hosting software. Okay, so then I have this, and then I have a Clickfunnels. So these are all affiliate links, guys, and when people click on those links, it charges them no extra money. In some cases, it might even give them a discount, but what's cool is I get a commission for recommending certain products. Okay, and that's how you make money on a blog, is with affiliate marketing. That I'll go into that a little bit later, but blogging, guys, is huge. That you can make a ton of money, and this is if you love writing. If you love writing. If not, guys, you can hire this out. You can have people write your blogs for you. As you can see here, I've had I had Omar write some blogs for me. I've had Mary. You can see that I wrote some myself. But the thing is, once you start a blog, it's so easy to start. You can literally start in like 30 minutes to an hour. You just can hire this out, for $10 an article. And as long as you're good at SEO, which is search engine optimization, you can do very well with creating a blog. So this is a very lucrative thing you can start in 2020, is starting a blog. Like, look at this, guys. I just started this not too long ago, and look at the traffic I'm getting. Okay. So that's the big thing with that, okay? And if you do need help with that, I'm going to link this below. This is my article here, how to start a blog and start generating income. This is my step-by-step guide here. It's going to show you exactly how to do that. In this article here, I show you exactly how to set up your website, all that good stuff, okay? So that is all there, okay. Number 2, all right. Number 2 is starting a YouTube channel, guys. This is by far one of the best ways you can make money online, okay? And there's several ways you can make money with a YouTube channel, okay? Let me go to my channel here. So my channel is all about making money online, showing people how to get traffic, making passive income, starting with affiliate marketing, anything like that. That's what my channel is about. So I have a niche, okay? So whatever your niche is, you definitely got to make content around that. And the way you make money is several ways, okay? So one is with Google Ads. So if you watch a video and there's ads that pop up, that's how people make money on YouTube, okay? Now, the way I make money on YouTube is with affiliate marketing. So within my videos, you know, I recommend certain products on how to make money online. I have my own products on how to make money online. So you're going to have those links within your YouTube description, and that's how you really make money on YouTube. Yes, you can make money with Google Ads because they're going to be putting ads on your video, but you know how you really make money is with having your own products or affiliate marketing, okay? And that's kind of what I teach on my channel. I'm not going to go too deep into that, but that's definitely a great way. Let me show you some of my stats, because guys, I'm very new to YouTube, but I've grown very quickly, okay? And the reason why is because of SEO, okay? And I'm going to show you something real quick. Let me show you right here. Okay. These are my stats, guys. I just started in May, as you can see here. It's November now, so it's at 6 months, I think. And you can see the exponential growth. So that's the thing about YouTube, is if you stay consistent, you can grow very quickly, and you can get a ton of clicks, a ton of traffic. And the cool thing is the traffic is super, super high quality because people are connecting with you through video, on a video. You know, that's the best way to connect with people, is with you know, video. Now, if you're not good with video, or if you don't want to do video, that's why I recommend a blog, okay? Because you can just write it out. You don't have to get on video or anything like that. But YouTube is very, very good, and you can definitely make a lot of money with YouTube, okay? All right, number 3. Let's go to number 3. Create a digital course. Okay, guys, this is very lucrative, okay, because it takes a lot of work in the beginning, but once you create this course, all you got to do is get traffic to it, and guys, it's all passive because it's already created. You're not doing anything. As long as you have an automated system to create a digital course, you don't have to worry about having to create more content, unless you do. I mean, some people will, you know, update the course, but that's just maintaining. You don't have to create the whole course again. So for example, I created a course on how to make money online for affiliate marketing. This is actually a free course, but within here I have my affiliate links here. So I have this course, but you know, obviously it took me a lot of time to create it, but the thing is, now I'm making money passively because it's already created, okay? And this is a great way, guys, is creating a digital course. Okay. Number 4. Okay. Affiliate marketing. So I've been kind of talking about that throughout the whole process. This is the best way to make money online by far, because you don't have to worry about the customer service. You don't have to worry about you know, making a product, you know, like a digital course. Yes, you can make more money, but you don't have to worry about the customer service. You don't have to worry about the sales process, the products. You don't have to worry about any of that. You literally just get people to the products, and that's it. Like, it's super easy, guys. So the biggest thing with affiliate marketing is you do got to drive traffic. That is your main job, is get people to your affiliate links or whatever you're promoting, okay? So for example, let's see here. I have a video here on, like, for example here, okay? 0 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, I'm providing a ton of value because I'm showing people how to get from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm giving them free stuff. But within that video, I'm like, okay, well, I'm using this tool if you want to use it. And, you know, if you want to use this tool, click on the link, and then I get a commission. So that's affiliate marketing. I also have my main promotion, which is, it's a product that teaches people how to make money online, and that's how I make my income as an affiliate marketer, guys, is you know, recommending certain products. Now this product here, this is my main product. This is Legendary Marketer. It teaches people how to make money online, but I've only been in this 3 months, guys, and you can see here in the last 30 days I've made almost $5,000, and then in the last 3 months, obviously it says last 365 days, but this is the last 3 months because I started about 3 months ago. I've made almost about $12,000 with this one system, okay? And you know, I promote different systems based on, you know, what the video is about. So affiliate marketing is huge, guys, because you can make a lot of money. All you got to worry about is driving traffic. Now, the way I drive traffic is with YouTube, blogging, and you know, that kind of plays into the first two that I talked about, okay? Because it all goes back into affiliate marketing, because I love affiliate marketing because I don't have to worry about the support. I love it. So anyways, that is my favorite way to make money online. Let's go to the next one. Number 5. Airbnb rental. Okay, so this one is awesome because if you have an extra home in the house, which most people do, you can literally rent out your house, or well, you can rent out your house, but you can rent out a room within your house, and you can make passive income, guys. So if you go to Airbnb.com slash host, you can sign up to host a house or a room. Okay, but what's cool is you don't have to you don't have to rent out your whole house. You can just do a room, and if you don't mind, people coming through, and obviously you can see who comes in and out of your house based on this Airbnb. But this is a great way, guys, because you don't do anything. You literally just use the house. Most people have an empty room that no one's using, so you can literally set it up and rent it out as as a passive income source, and you're not doing anything. It's literally maybe clean a little bit. You can also hire people to do that, but it's not that hard to do. So Airbnb is a great way to make money, guys. I did do this a few times. Now I use all the rooms in my house, so I actually don't do that anymore, but it's a great way to make extra money. Is Airbnb. Okay, so the next one here, guys, let me see here, is Turo car rental. So this is similar to Airbnb, but let me see if I can find it up here. So I had it up. So basically what it is you're sharing your car. So a lot of people will, I think it's in 24 hours, people only use their car 1 hour out of the day. So imagine how much money you can make with just having your car out there and renting out your car. So this is similar to Airbnb, is you can go to Turo.com, list your car, and people can rent out your car and you can make money. And the cool thing is it's all passive, so you don't have to worry about doing anything because it's all passive income. So this is a great way to make money if you have an extra car that you're not using, or you just don't use it as much. So great way. And the last one here, guys, let me go here, is Facebook ad agency. Okay, and I do this as well, just because I love Facebook ads. But basically with Facebook ads is you got to think of it as a high income skill. Okay, not a lot of people know how to run Facebook ads. And if you go to my ad, here's my ad manager. I'm very good at running Facebook ads. I'm very good at running paid traffic. So people reach out to me and they want me to run their traffic for them. Now, the way you learn Facebook ads is by either taking courses. I have some really good training. It's actually some of my older trainings in my YouTube channel. It's all free for you guys. You can go through and I show you how to set up a basic ad. I show you how to set up advanced ads, stuff like that. So basically, this is a high income skill, guys, because you can charge anywhere between $1,000 and $2,000 a month, which is how much I charge. And you can see I have a ton of ad companies that I run ads for. Because, guys, this is a high income skill and people will pay a lot of money, especially businesses that don't know how to run Facebook ads. And yes, you do have to learn it, but it's really not that hard. There's some advanced tactics, but for a basic ad, it's not hard to do. I mean, basically you have to have a pixel on your website. So if you go to my website here, any of my websites, you can see that I have a Facebook pixel, meaning if people go on this website, I'm going to track them. So, if they were to get on my website and then go to Facebook, then they see my ads, and that's called retargeting. So most companies don't have that. So you can literally look for companies in your area, go to their website and see if they have Facebook pixels installed, and use this Facebook pixel tracker. It's in Google Chrome. It's called the Facebook Pixel Helper. And you can go to any website and click this, and it'll tell you if a website has a tracker. And if they don't, guys, reach out to them and say, hey, let me run ads for you. I'll do it for free. Start it for free. Literally, it's so easy to install a pixel that, it literally takes like 10 minutes to do. And you can start by, hey, let me at least install a free pixel for you so I can track, who's coming to your website. And then from there, that's a great way to get in, because they're like, okay, awesome. And then once you get them in, then you can start running ads for them. Charge $1,000, $2,000 a month, which is how much I charge to run ads for people. Okay, because it's a very good skill to know, is running advertisement. But anyways, guys, that is the top 7 passive income ideas in 2020, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a ton of value. Now, if you do want to learn affiliate marketing, which is how I make money online, there's the first link in the description, guys. That is my #1 way on how to make money online, and that is a course you're going to be taking with a legendary marketer. It's literally $7 to start, and it'll teach you how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business. I also have an affiliate marketing course for free, and that's going to be the second link in the description. This is this course right here. It teaches you how to start an affiliate marketing business for free. Well, the course is free, and then I show how to start the affiliate marketing business. Okay, so anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value, and let me know what passive income source that you want to try out and that you want to start, going with in 2020. So anyways, guys, you guys have a great day, and God bless.